So now look at page number 27. It is called. So student, speak with me. First of all, we will read this page. It is called the Botanical Gardens. There in the middle of this place is something special. I am very excited. I cannot wait to go there. At last, it is evening. Uncle and I walk to the botanical gardens. Now we will circle the nouns. So first of all, circle the botanical gardens. It is a name of garden. So we will circle it. It is a noun. Called. Called means पुकारना, बुलाना या कहना. So we will underline it. It is a verb. And then we will underline excited. It is a verb. Wait यानी इंतजार करना. It is also a verb. So we will underline it. Then walk. Walk means chalna. It is a verb. So we will underline it. Now we will move in our next paragraph. When we reach the middle of the garden. Student, read with me. Keep your finger with my words. When we reach the middle of the garden, I see a huge tree. I think it is a magic tree. It is one tree, but it looks like 100 trees. This is the great banyan tree. It is called a bot gach in Bengali, says uncle. As we walk close to the tree, I notice long, thin threads hanging down from its branches. Uncle, what are those long, thin threads hanging down from the tree? I ask. Now we will know the word meaning of this something special. Something special means something unusual. Now we will circle the nouns, zigzag to the adjective and underline to the verb and past forms. When we reach, reach means पहुंचना. It is a verb, so we will underline it. The middle of the garden. Middle. Where is the garden? In the middle. So it is an adjective. We will zigzag it like this. Okay? I see a huge tree. Tree is a noun. And how is the tree? Tree is a huge. It means it is an adjective. We will zigzag it. See. See means देखना. It is a verb, so we will underline it. I think. Think means sochna. It is a verb, so we will underline it. It is a magic tree. How is the tree? Tree is magic. It means it is a adjective. Jadui ped. So we will zigzag it. Now look at next line. This is the great banyan tree. How is the banyan tree? Great. So it is an adjective. We will zigzag it. Okay. And banyan tree is a noun. So we will circle it. Okay. It is called a bot gach in Bengali. Bengali is a language. We know it by its name. So it is a noun. We will circle it. And what is the name of banyan in Bengali? Bot gach. It means it is also a noun. We will circle it. Okay. Says uncle. As we walk close to the tree, as we walk close to the tree, I notice long thin threads hanging down from its branches. Notice यानी मैंने ध्यान दिया, नोट किया कोई चीज. It is a verb, so we will underline it. Long thin threads. Threads means dhage. It is a noun, so we will circle it. And how is the thread? Long and thin. So these are adjectives. We will zigzag it. Hanging down. नीचे की ओर लटक रहे हैं. It means it is a verb, so we will underline it. From its branches. It is a noun, so we will circle it. These nouns, verb and past forms and adjectives are our yesterday's homework. Now student, we will write our CW after these nouns, verb and adjectives. Okay? जैसे adjectives हमारे यहाँ तक हो गए, तो next adjectives हम यहाँ से start करेंगे. Next हमारा noun हम यहाँ से start करेंगे और next हमारा verb हम यहाँ से start करेंगे. Okay? So now I have no place, so I rub this. But आपको वहीं से start करना है जहाँ से आपके पास place है. Okay? Now we will write our nouns, verb, adjectives of page number 27. Okay? So first noun is botanical gardens. BOTANICAL botanical gardens. Students, यहाँ पर जगह नहीं है gardens के लिए, so मैं यहाँ लिख रही हूँ GARDENS gardens. Okay? Now write down our next noun is banyan tree. BANYAN banyan tree. TREE tree. Now write down next noun bot gach. BAWT bot. Then हम हल्का सा डैश लगाएंगे और लिखेंगे गाछ. GAACH गाछ. Next noun is Bengali. BENGALI Bengal. Next our noun is branches. BRANCHES branches. Okay student, these are our nouns of page number 27. Now we will write our verb and past form of page number 27. So first of all write down excited. EXTED excited. Excited means उत्तेजित होना और it is a past form of excite. Okay? Our next verb wait. W-A-I-T, wait. Now, write down our next word, walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Write down with me everyone in very beautiful handwriting, okay? Now, write down our next word, reach. R-E-A-C-H, reach. Then write down our next word, see. S-E-E-See. And then write down think. T-H-I-N-K, think means sochna and it is a verb. Now write down our next word, notice. N-O-T-I-C-E, notice. It is our next word. Notice means कोई चीज को ध्यान देना, किसी चीज पर नोटिस करना. ओके. नाउ राइट डाउन अवर नेक्स्ट वर्ड, हैंगिंग. H-A-N-G-I-N-G, hanging. Okay. Now student, we will write our adjectives of page number 27. So our first adjective is middle. M-I-D-D-L-E, middle. Now write down our next adjective, magic. M-A-G-I-C, magic. Now write down our next adjective, great. G-R-E-A-T, great. Now write down our next adjective, long. L-O-N-G, long. Then thin. T-H-I-N, thin. Okay. Now student, these are our nouns, verb and past form and adjectives of page number 27. ये मुझे बताइए सबसे पहले, क्या आपने कल वो स्टोरी सुनी थी क्रोकोडाइल और मंकी की? यस, मजा आया था आपको? चलिए, तो फिर ठीक है, हमारी जो बाकी की स्टोरी बाकी थी हमारी, हम उसको आज कंप्लीट करते हैं. ओके, चलिए फिर रेडी हो जाइए, बहुत जल्दी से मैं वो स्टोरी सुनाने वाली हूँ. ओके. बंदर की खुशी देखकर मगरमच्छ ने सोचा कि बेचारा मंकी दावत के सपने देख रहा है. अगर इसे पता चलेगा कि मेरी पत्नी उसे ही लंच में खाना चाहती है तो फिर क्या होगा? क्या मुझे अपने फ्रेंड को सच बता देना चाहिए?
Oh dear monkey, I want to tell you something. My wife wants to eat your heart. Please forgive me. If she doesn't eat your heart, she will die.
क्रोकोडाइल मंकी से बोला, ओह डियर मंकी, मेरी पत्नी तुम्हारा हार्ट को खाना चाहती है. कृपया मुझे माफ़ कर देना. अगर मैं ऐसा नहीं करूँगा तो वो. ये सब सुनकर मंकी के तो होश ही उड़ गए. बट पता क्या, मंकी बहुत ही स्मार्ट था. उसने फटाफट एक आइडिया सोच लिया. उसने मगरमच्छ से कहा कि अरे दोस्त, तुमने ये मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? मंकीज़ अपने हार्ट को सुरक्षित पेड़ पे ही रखते हैं. अगर तुम मुझे पहले कहते तो मैं उसे वहाँ से लेते हुए आता. अब तुम्हें उस पेड़ पर मुझे वापस लेकर जाना पड़ेगा ताकि मैं वहाँ से अपना हार्ट ला सकूं.
Oh, how stupid of me! Now we will have to go all the way back. Okay, let's go back and get your heart.
मंकी की बात सुनकर मगरमच्छ बोला, ओह मैं कितना स्टूपिड हूँ. अब हमें वापस पूरा रास्ता जाना पड़ेगा. चलो कोई बात नहीं, हम वापस चलते हैं हार्ट को लेने के लिए.
If we go back empty-handed, she will eat my heart instead. Hoo! The crocodile got the monkey back to the tree.
मगरमच्छ बोला, अगर हम खाली हाथ जाते तो मेरी पत्नी तुम्हारे हार्ट के बजाय मेरा ही हार्ट खा जाती. मगरमच्छ मंकी को वापस उसके पेड़ तक ले आया।
As soon as the monkey reached the tree, he quickly jumped off the crocodile's back and climbed the tree and said to the crocodile,
You stupid crocodile! Can anyone keep their heart out and stay alive? I helped you as a friend and gave you so much food to eat. And this is what you did in return. You are a traitor. Now you will neither get my heart nor the berries. Go away!
जैसे ही पेड़ आया, मंकी तुरंत कूदकर अपने पेड़ पर चढ़ गया और उसने मगरमच्छ से कहा, अरे मूर्ख मगरमच्छ, क्या कोई अपने दिल के बिना जिंदा रह सकता है? मैंने तुम्हारी सहायता करी, तुम्हें खाने के लिए मीठे मीठे जामुन दिए और बदले में तुमने क्या किया? तुम गद्दार हो। अब मैं तुम्हें कुछ भी नहीं दूंगा, ना अपना दिल और ना ही मीठे जामुन। चले जाओ यहाँ से।
The monkey used his intelligence and cleverness to save his life. And the crocodile, because of his stupidity, lost both a great friend and sweet berries.
पता है बच्चों, मंकी अपनी बुद्धिमानी के कारण बच गया और मगरमच्छ अपनी मूर्खता की वजह से उसके पास अब कुछ नहीं रहा, ना एक अच्छा मित्र और ना ही खाने के लिए मीठे जामुन। तो बच्चों, आपने इस स्टोरी से क्या सीखा? क्या आपको इस स्टोरी से उसने अपना मित्र भी खो दिया और खाने के लिए जो उसे बेरीज मिलते थे वो भी अब उसको नहीं मिलेंगे। बाय एवरीवन एंड टेक केयर।